want to make a shout out today to another small business, Reliable Appliance Repair. The gentleman's name was Shai, and he was fantastic. He communicated professionally on the phone. He knew what he was talking about. He left my wife feeling understood and heard, and gave us hope. Hey guys, Rafi Konsker here, Preferred Plumbing. How are you all doing today? Leaving the office here, locking up. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying positive. Hope you're being great. I want to make a shout out today to another small business, Reliable Appliance Repair. My wife and I needed to fix our wall oven in our kitchen, and we first called KitchenAid directly because it's a KitchenAid unit, and they sent somebody out, and let's just say we were not pleased. It wasn't a comfortable, informative, educational experience. There wasn't a whole lot of service involved. We weren't left in any really better spot than when we got there. Quite disappointing. We then called another appliance technician, and again, very unprofessional experience. It's funny when you run a home service company and you excel at customer service, and you understand what it means to truly meet the client and meet their needs, exceed their needs, and provide solutions, and just make a really, really nice experience. Unfortunately, you know what to look for, and you also have no patience for nonsense. So anyway, this is the second appliance technician. Just wasn't a great experience. Really didn't help us out much. I mean, he tried, but there was just a lack of professionalism and a lack of knowledge and a lack of awareness, and I guess he's obviously they're not training in the inner workings of communication and sales, and to understand how to communicate with the client and how to leave them. Anyhow, then my wife got a number from a friend of hers. Reliable Appliance Repair is the name of the company. The gentleman's name was Shai, and he was fantastic. He communicated professionally on the phone. He knew what he was talking about. He left my wife feeling understood and heard, and gave us hope, and showed up when he said he was going to show up. Did what he had to do, realized there was a part he didn't have, drove all the way to Scarborough, drove far to get the part, came back, took care of it, made the repair, was clear, was upfront, was trustworthy, sent an invoice. Everything was exactly what it was supposed to be. Just an absolute pleasure. I'm going to start recommending him to all my clients. And big shout out. It's not easy out there. But guys, if you want to be somebody, if you want to, I don't care what industry you're in, okay? Like, I'm in the home service industry, but whatever industry it is, but right now we'll talk about the home service industry, whether you're a plumber, electrician, HVAC guy, whether you're an appliance technician, you gotta communicate. You gotta be professional. You gotta answer the phone professionally. And if you're not, because you're busy, get someone to answer the phone for you. You have to have a CRM system. You have to have a field management software. You have to have your clients listed. You should know who's calling. You should know what they did last. You should be able to communicate effectively, book an appointment, arrive when you say you're going to arrive, act professionally, protect the home you're working in. That's what you got to do. You got to be transparent. You got to be soft-spoken. You got to be informative. Clients are looking for information. You got to give them information, and then you'll have no problem making a good living. It's amazing. The things that become second nature for us are things that so many people out there don't understand yet. But anyhow, God bless you guys. I love you guys. Be great. Be powerful. Just tear it up. Don't care about what people think. Don't care what people feel. Do what you know is right. Live your truth. Live your dreams. Don't be loyal to your past. Be loyal to your future. God bless you guys. Rafi Konsker here, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. Have a great weekend.